If you want to use Live Translate on your Google Pixel 11, also 11 Pro, it's very easy. First, go in your settings, then System Settings, Live Translate, and we first have to enable it over here. Also, we have to download the language that we actually want to ultimately translate from. So I already have some downloaded, but if you click Add Language, as you see, we have most of the largest language here. So you can see for yourself what we have here. So yeah, simply download whatever you need first. And then if you're wondering how does this feature works, so for example, if someone sends you a message in a foreign language, it will ultimately offer to translate it. So I'll send myself message in Spanish. So for example, if I receive a message here in a foreign language, if I open it up, I see it automatically offers this choice to translate to English. Then, yeah, it automatically translates it. If I click here, I see you can also change some settings and also swap over the language as well. And yeah, it's that easy really. So whenever you are in some chat, some messages, WhatsApp or wherever, you'll simply get offered this choice as soon as it detects a foreign language here. Okay, good luck.